A little dark in here. Sun's going down. Well, not, well, yeah, it started to go down outside, but it's lit up inside. I mean, it's a little bit dark, but this is the room I was working on a little while ago, and you can tell how I've got it vacuumed. I got some things rearranged, and yes, I did find I found two brown recluse spiders. One was already dead and just a paper thin remnants of an antique, prehistoric spider. But the other one was alive and chunky. And I found it right up here on top of this workbench here. I vacuumed him up with the shop vac. So mixed up with all the junk inside my shop vac is a brown recluse spider. Also found this light right here. Looks very, very dangerous. I'm not going to use that. Very old, very dangerous. So I would probably just disassemble it and then pitch it, save the good parts off of it, and then throw it away. I also found this little birdhouse. This birdhouse was inside that ice chest right there. And the ice chest was way up there with that other ice chest up in there. Of course, up there is where I found this light right here. And also went ahead and plugged in this power strip. It says Power Patrol, but I'm going to end up putting a few more things on here, and not only that, but I'll plug the whenever I do more vacuuming, I'll plug the shop vac in here as well. I do need some more light in here, so I'm going to end up stringing a light. And I've got some, let me show you what I've got here. These are LED 48-inch bulbs, which are, the same length. Well, that one doesn't look, that one looks shorter in there, but it's a standard length. It says it replaces the T8 or T12 fluorescent lamps. So I've got I've got 1, 2 left in here. So I'm going to end up using these LED lights in this room here. And that'll brighten this room up really good. That way I can spot those brown recluse spiders. Oh man, I do not want to get bit by one of those things. Johnny, I mentioned him in a couple of my other videos. He's been doing my yard work for me. But he's my brother-in-law, and he had gotten bit on his back, and he's got a hole in his back. Luckily, his sister had taken him and to the hospital or the doctor or whatever, and got that taken care of. I'm not really sure what they did for it, but they got it taken care of. Whew, it's dark in here. Let me go in here where I got some light. All right. I'm sweating. I got to get an air conditioner up here. I've got one at the house that I'm going to be bringing up here and putting in this big window. Right there where that little box fan is, I'm going to put that air conditioner in right there. And it's a big air conditioner. It's a chunky air conditioner, so it'll fit in there perfect. I just got to make sure I've got the proper power and power connector for it. But that'll be another project. And like I said before, I'm going to be making videos of most of my projects I work on, posting them to YouTube. And anyway, talk to you later. Whew, it's hot up here.